In an era where input costs are rising, climate change threatens feed supply chains, and consumer demand for sustainable farming is growing. More dairy farmers are asking a critical question: should I grow my own feed? Homegrown dairy rations, crafted from on-farm forages, cereals, and legumes, are gaining traction as a viable, eco-friendly alternative to bought-in concentrate feeds. But is this approach the right fit for your dairy business? Let's take a deep dive into the advantages and challenges of feeding a homegrown ration. First one is cost control and feed independence. One of the biggest appeals of growing your own feed is cutting down on the cost of purchased feed, especially during times of global market volatility. By investing in crops like maize, dairy farmers can gain greater control over feed quality, availability, and price, saving thousands over the long term. Homegrown feed systems have helped reduce exposure to unpredictable feed markets. Second one is sustainability and soil health. Growing your own rations often means better carbon efficiency. Forage crops, especially nitrogen-fixing legumes, enrich soil and reduce reliance on chemical fertilizers. What's more, local feed equals fewer transport miles, resulting in lower emissions. Homegrown systems significantly reduce the carbon footprint per liter of milk. Third one is healthier milk with functional benefits. Cows grazing on diverse, nutrient-rich pastures tend to produce milk with more omega-3 fatty acids, CLA, and antioxidants. This can increase the nutritional value of your dairy products, offering a marketing edge in health-conscious markets. Fourth one is animal welfare and natural behavior. Grazing-based systems allow cows to engage in natural behaviors like walking, grazing, and ruminating in open spaces, factors associated with lower stress levels and better overall health. Now let's discuss the challenges. First one is lower milk yields. While homegrown rations support sustainability, they may not deliver the high energy levels needed for maximum milk production. For high-performance herds, this could mean reduced profitability unless offset by lower costs elsewhere. Second one is weather risk and forage reliability. Homegrown feeding depends heavily on the weather. Droughts, floods, or extended wet periods can reduce the yield and quality of silage and forage, leading to feed shortfalls just when you need it most. Third one is land and labor demand. Producing your own rations isn't just about sowing and harvesting. You'll need more land, better machinery, skilled labor, and time to manage crop cycles, silage quality, and storage. Fourth one is nutritional imbalance risks. Balancing energy, protein, fiber, and minerals from only homegrown sources can be tricky. Without proper ration formulation, cows may suffer from energy deficits, fertility issues, or lameness. Feeding a homegrown dairy ration is not just a feeding strategy, it's a dairy farming philosophy. It champions resilience, sustainability, and self-sufficiency, offering real cost savings and environmental benefits. Yet, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Success hinges on your land base, weather patterns, technical know-how, and business goals. Think of it this way. If you're aiming for consistent milk yields, high input-output efficiency, and long-term dairy farm resilience, then investing in a homegrown feeding strategy may be your farm's next big move.